Dear student, today we will teach about what is the parity and what is symmetric and antisymmetric wave function in quantum mechanics. First I would like to explain what is mean of parity. We can say that parity is nothing but then a symmetry. For example, if I take any quantum mechanic operator phi is a operator and operates on a wave function psi r and gives the value neta into psi r. Here we can say that psi is a our operator, psi r is a wave function of any system, neta is operated result and it is our eigen value. Okay, and this is our same function which were operated earlier. So what is the concept of the parity? Here we see that neta is a result of any operations and we get after any operation between operator and operand, which is psi r wave function. So it is maybe when we operate psi r on operator phi, we have neta, and similarly if I would operate this result again with same operator phi with psi r, then I will have neta square into psi r. Here it is seems that neta, if I comparison this wave function from this, then it implies the value of neta square must be 1. Mean of that neta square equal to 1, neta equal to plus minus 1 as we take square root of. So there are two signs available here. One is positive 1, second is negative 1. So this is the our parity. Mean of that, for any wave function, if that wave function show even parity, then value of neta will be plus 1. On the other hand, if any wave function which has odd parity, mean of that value is minus 1. We can take this in another meaning. What is the concept of this? If I would like to, for any state, I operate wave function psi x and I replace x equal to minus x, then the wave function will equal to positive psi x. The mean of that this wave function has even parity, or we can say that value of parity is plus 1 for this wave function. On the other hand, if I have any wave function like this psi prime x and I replace x by minus x and I have minus psi prime x, the mean of this we get the same wave function but initial with a negative sign. The mean of that this wave function has odd parity. By this basis of this sign we explain parity and symmetric and anti-symmetric wave function. How can we say that it is any function of any state is a symmetric or a non-symmetric or maybe anti-symmetric. So let's show that if P is our a parity operator, if I operate any wave function on parity operator always gives two values plus 1 and minus 1, and this is operated on this wave function psi x and result we have same psi x. The mean of that the wave function psi x is a symmetric wave function. On the other hand, I take another example of this. When I operate a wave function phi x and result comes out with minus 1 eigenvalue and same wave function, mean of that the parity of this wave function is minus 1, so this is a antisymmetric wave function. Okay, on this basis of this we can explain